So one of the ways you can actually make money from the comfort of your home is by creating and selling digital products. When I say digital products, I mean things like ebooks, journals, any of those stuff that you can actually download online and use at your convenience. These are digital products that you can actually create and for people to buy from you. And these days, you don't really need to start from scratch to start creating. You can create digital product out of anything, especially ebooks. You can create ebooks out of things like articles, journals. You can create it out of blog posts or even PDF documents. So if you have one that you feel that people need to know more about, that you can convert to an ebook, I'm going to show you how you can use NotebookLM, which is a free Google tool, to convert any article or any PDF file or even blog post or even videos to an ebook that you can sell on platforms like Gumroad, Seller, Etsy, or any other platforms that you may want to sell your digital products. The best part is it is easy. All you have to do is just to give it the command and it will do everything for you. So let's get started with that. Before you start creating your ebook, you have to have your documents ready, like the source where NotebookLM can actually derive information it's going to use to create your ebooks for you. So to do that, you just have to have your documents ready. It could be from the internet or anywhere you have your documents stored. Then you save it in your computer so you can easily access it and upload it as a source. So to get started, you come to NotebookLM. So this is NotebookLM. This is what it looks like. So you can create new by creating new here, and you're going to ask to upload your documents here or upload your file. If you also have a web source like the URL of where you're getting your information from, you can put it here. So but for this video, we are going with upload file. You can also use YouTube videos here. You can use, or if you have your documents stored in your drive, you can also get it from here. If you have a copy test, you can just paste it here. So to get our file, we're going to upload file. So now you have your source. This is where this particular AI tool is going to derive any information it's going to be using to create your ebook for you from. So it will not get something outside of the information you have given it. So once you have uploaded your source, the next step is you're going to start asking it to do whatever you want it to do with the source. So for this video, we are creating an ebook. So I'm going to ask it this prompt, and I'm asking it to act as a world-class educational product designer and premium digital publisher. I am building a high-value niche educational guide based on the uploaded research PDF in this notebook. So you see, you're referencing the particular source you gave it, and all of this stuff is quite lengthy. So basically what this particular prompt is asking it to do is to generate title ideas, provide niche value propositions, core PDF data points, and the chapters. This is more like giving you a rough sketch of what the book is all about before it goes into details with writing each chapter of the book. So once you're done, you're going to ask it to generate. Now, as you can see, it has given me everything I need, including the title, the niche value proposition, the course source, data points, and everything. And it's also giving me the chapter outline for chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, and up to chapter 5, which is the last chapter, and then the actionable exercise that I need to do. So this is the thing I'm going to be working with. So next, I'm going to give it the prompt it needs to generate each chapter one after the other for me to put together. So I'm going to ask it to act as a professional ghostwriter who specializes in writing high converting digital products. We are now going to write a highly engaging, human sounding draft for chapter title and number, e.g. you see what it's giving it, and a lot of other things. So this is what you need, and once you have given it this, you're going to ask it to generate. So as you can see, that's giving me chapter 1. Now the reason why you have to do chapter by chapter is just so it focuses on that particular chapter at a time. By the time you give it to do the 5 chapters at once, it's going to be overloaded. It will not really give you the thing the way you want it to give it to you. So that is why you have to be going bit by bit so it doesn't get confused or start writing something out of context. So with this, you just go through it, and then once you turn it to you, then you ask it to draft chapter 2. That is how you're going to be doing it until it's going to give you all the chapters you need from chapter 1 to chapter 5. And if you need conclusion as well, you can also ask it to generate. So while it is still generating the chapters, I want to give you a little overview about this particular NotebookLM. In addition to using it as an ebook builder, you can also use it to do things like audio overview, slide deck. This is very important for presentation. You also use it for video overview, mind map, for reports, flashcards, and quiz, infographics, and data table. This is a very highly valuable tool for someone who likes to be organized where they're working. So these are some of the things you can actually do with this NotebookLM. It's a very cool tool to use, so you might want to check it out. So it has given me everything, including the executive protocol, the growth hour, and everything that I need. All the chapters has been generated for each one of this. So you can see it gave me actionable plan for everything. This is the system builder for this particular topic I'm writing about, which is about AI productivity for freelancers. So this has given me a lot of things. So next step I'll have to take now is go to Canva, which is another free tool where I'm going to put everything that has given me together, and I'm going to design it to my taste to generate the ebook that I want before I upload it to platforms where I can sell this ebook. So next, you're going to go to Canva. So once you're here on Canva, you can search for ebooks on this particular template that it gave, or you can search for ebooks here. So here are Canva templates that you can use for your ebook depending on the mood you're choosing or the topic you're writing about or anything that may interest you. So this is Canva. It's also a free tool. These are the free templates that you can use. If you want to use the paid ones, they're the ones that have this little crown here. Those are the paid tools, but for the free tools, they do not have. So based on your topic, you can choose, or if you want, you can use the blank page and start designing your own from scratch. I think that is way time consuming to do. So the best thing for one to do is just to use already existing templates to design your own. So I like this cover template, but it's a paid one. I can customize my own to be like this by myself, or I can choose something else like this one. So I can go with this one, which is also free, and customize the page anywhere I want, or I can choose from any of these, which I can choose from this or this one, or I can go down any one I want. So we're going with this one, and then you click on customize templates. So once I have gotten this, all I have to do is just to customize all these templates to suit what I want, chapter by chapter. This is where the work is most of the time, and you can use like 30 to 1 hour to do this depending on how you want your ebook to turn out, and you can customize it by simply copying and pasting. Okay, so I have finished making the edit and it's looking nice based on my own judgment. So you can make yours better and do it the way you want if you want to sell ebooks from anything. So once you have done this, the next step is to upload it to any platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, anywhere you can actually upload this to make money. But talking about the making money aspect of this is something that most people will not tell you, but you guys know me, I will always tell you. For you to actually make money with this, you must have had an audience of people that you're used to giving value to, that are willing and ready to pay for another value that you have packaged to bring to them. What this means is that you have loyal people that trust what you do and what you bring to them, and they're willing to pay because they know they will even get even more value from what you're giving them. So it's not just about creating ebook and publishing. You must have people that are willing to buy from you, and you must make sure that the ebook you're creating is what will solve the problem of your audience, not just creating ebooks and hoping to have some magic done for you before you start making money. That's not how it is done. If you also have money to run ads, you can actually run ads, but the problem with running ads is the fact that you will not really get everything, because people are just getting to see your product. They don't really know you. They don't know if they can trust what you're bringing to them. So that is why you have to build your audience first, and the only way to build your audience is through content creation. So if you have an idea, you have your pool of audience, or you have people that follow you wherever you are on social media, you can sell this to, especially people that have interest in what you're writing about. So before you start doing an ebook, make sure the people you're going to be writing it about are interested in the ebook. So you can get things like podcasts or videos people made online and use them as your source on NotebookLM to create your own ebook and publish and sell. So if you found value in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe. And if you're looking to learn a skill that will make you more money and help you build a brand online, you can check out ISDF, which is Interaction Design Foundation #1 online design school that will teach you everything, especially industry in demand skills when it comes to building websites and apps. And it will help you from every step of the way, including when you're done with the program. They have a community that will hold your hands to help you navigate the career path, and also you will see a job board that you can actually use to look for jobs. Once you're done with this program, you're also going to stand a better chance to save money by the time you enroll to start learning UX design. So if you're interested, do well to grab the link in the description of this video. And if you want to make any job application fast, I have prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that will help you from the process of looking for jobs to the process of applying for interviews. So you may want to check it out with the link also in the description of this video. Don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for your support so far, and I'll see you in the next video.